Hello, my name is Kyle MacIntosh, and today I'm going to show you how to kick cancer's butt. But first, we need to go to radiation. It's 7:51. Looks like we'll be right on time, so let's go get radiated.
I'm waking up to ash and dust. I wipe my brow and I sweat my rust. I'm breathing in the chemicals.
20 minutes done.
I'm breaking in, shaping up, then checking out on the prison bus. This is it.
Now we're all done with radiation. Now we're going to go do a little chemo right now. Cream on here so the needle doesn't hurt too bad. A little numbing agent. 8:37. We're done with round number 10 of radiation. Now it's number 9 of chemo. Let's go. You can wake up and mope and cry you have to fight cancer, or be grateful you have a fighting chance. That's how I live my life every day. You have to. Attitude is everything. Now I'm just getting some blood drawn, ready for chemo to start. We are live here at the hospital getting a little pre-hydration. I'll get 2 hours of hydration and an hour of chemo, and then another hour of hydration. And it's about 9:15. We're getting rolling. Is chemo live here?
It's live. You're happening.
Okay. You gotta make chemo fun. Passing some time with the best sister in the world. Okay. Free to go.
1:15 and done.
Alright, now we're all done with chemo. We got all toxined up, ready to go. So now I need to go sweat it out, and this is how I whoop cancer's butt every day. Let's go. University of Colorado 400-meter hurdler, making my comeback. Broke a sweat, got the chemo and toxins all out. Now I'm good to go. Alright, always got to replenish with a little chocolate milk. Helps you out a lot. Today I got you, cancer. You didn't beat me, I beat you. Game on tomorrow. I'm not going to let you win this.